Well, hello guys, legoshowtv here, and today I'm reviewing Cole Spinjitzu Master 70637, 73 pieces, ages 6 to 14. There you can see the front of the box, Cole there, of course, and you can see the back of the box. I have all of them, but the Lloyd one, I will not be getting the Lloyd one as of right now, and yeah, don't expect that review to come anytime soon, unless I just need something to buy. So yeah, because all it is the movie Lloyd with a green spinner. So yeah, I might buy it just for the spinner, but that's about it. So let's take a look at the set itself now. Alright, so here is Spinjitzu Master Cole, and this is everything I wanted in the Airjitsu Cole, but I didn't get that. So yeah, I didn't get that. I didn't get a Spinjitzu Master or Airjitsu Master Cole that looked like this. I got the one that we got. Yeah, I really wanted a orange looking spinner for that one, and this is just like this is the polar opposite of Airjitsu. This is what the Ninjago is based off to begin with, Spinjitzu. But taking a look at this little thingy first, got this little hammer, and apparently you can bang these off. They're supposed to come flying off or something, according to the art in the instruction book. But this is a cool little thing, and this cool little hammer you can stick right here. So yeah, this is nice. And looking at the Spinjitzu Master, all you gotta do, this is a more rough version of it, but you can see it spins. It would do better obviously on a flat surface, but that's the best I can do for now. And here's this look at the handle. If you have not ever seen one, it is the same style as the Airjitsu, and yeah. So, a nice little printed piece right there. So yeah. Now let's take a look at the figure real quick. Taking a look at Cole, here he is. And he's cool. And nice looking. And you can see torso detailing, leg detailing. Sadly, he has his movie face, and I'm sorry, but what does this look like? A caveman, kind of. I will give you this about the movie masks: the people who don't like them, they are a pain to get off, but I still like them pretty well. They're cool, but you can see the back detailing too there. So yeah, but overall this set is pretty cool, and can't wait to use this guy in my series. So now let's go into the ratings for the set. Alright, as I say for all of the Airjitsu master sets, they're okay. They're not Airjitsu, they're not as fun as the Airjitsu ones, but they're good, and I appreciate that. And yep, I do appreciate that a lot. So they're cool. And the minifigures are cooler than the ones in the other sets in the Spinjitzu. So yeah, that's just my opinion. Like I said, I give it to you guys who complain about the movie mask. They are a pain in the butt, but they're still cool masks either way. So yeah, that's about it for this review. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and I shall see you next time. Bye.